Hey everyone, Mortgage Nerd here. So we want to talk about what's happening with mortgage rates in relation to the Fed fund rate. Fed might drop rates now next week. December 8th, 9th is the meeting. And this is an article from HousingWire where they talk about how mortgage rates are stable around that 6%, and they don't expect to see a big drop in mortgage rates or a drop much at all from where we are now when the Fed lowers the Fed fund rate further for the December meeting. It goes into detail about why, and I've seen many experts in the field of economics and rates talk about why we're going to continue to kind of hit this low point in the sixes the way we did last September, the way we did again this year in April, and then we hit there September, October again. We're just kind of hitting that low 6.1, 6.2 average in conventional loans and bouncing off of that. There's a lot of reasons to it I'm not going to bore you with. I made a video the other day talking about jumping over $1 to pick up a penny. The clients that we could cut their rates 1.5%, 2% from where they are now, but they want 1.1, 1.6, 2.1. They want that 0.1 more, and they won't refinance until they get that because they're waiting, thinking that drops in rates is just linear, that it's always just going to keep going down. That's not how it works. Look at the chart also that we have here. So that chart shows you exactly what I'm talking about. Last September, it hit a bottom, and then when the Fed cut rates that September, mortgage rates went up. Remember, the Fed fund rate is different from mortgage rates. We've continued to see that drop and pick up and drop and pick up. And then sometimes we get like incentives from lenders. So while you might see on that chart, there was a point in April where rates did not go as low as the previous September, yet I was able to lock in a lot of people at the same rates because there are incentives that can be offered. Right now, we have an incentive running through the end of December, by the way. So if you are looking to refinance, then we can help you with that. Good news is that we haven't bounced up the way we did last September. You see how it came down sharply and went up sharply. Now you see we're kind of hitting at that bottom. We're just going like that. September, October, November, now into December. So if you are looking to refinance, if you're looking to purchase a property, take advantage. While there's less buyers out there trying to buy, that gives you the advantage as a buyer. You have less competition, which means you can negotiate better with the sellers and then refinance later when rates drop into the 5s or the 4s or wherever they go in the next year or two. Mortgage Nerd out.